We are at Ad Notam. Good morning. What's your name?
My name is Yamin.
What do you do?
We are a Germany-based company. We do smart mirrors and such as this, as you can see. This is a magic mirror reflection TV series. This is our standard product. And we have this version in a 22-inch and 32-inch monitor.
Are you new to Invision?
Yes, we are quite new, yes. Yeah. We have started this month for Invision. Yeah.
And what do you expect from the UK market with this product?
Well, I see great potential there, and I hope that we will grow with Invision. So I'm quite positive about that.
So what will be the application of this TV? Where will you have it?
The special thing about this is the mirror surface. So we have different versions. We have a magic mirror, what means that the monitor completely vanish if you switch off the TV. So that you have then just a glass, just a mirror. So
is this a magic mirror?
This is a magic mirror.
Could you switch it off?
Yeah, maybe I can introduce you. So when we switch off the TV, the monitor completely vanish. So we have this.
Except for the light.
Yeah. We have this in a crystal mirror as well. But the thing is that you can see the mirror, the screen behind if you switch off the TV. So, but in this magic mirror you cannot see the monitor. But we do also bespoke products, so you can customize your own product through a configurator. So you can choose any mirror surface you want, or black glass, white glass, crystal mirror, or magic mirror crystal clear, which is perfectly for the bathroom, for example, or this silver magic mirror.
Thank you so much, Jamin.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Click below to subscribe and be sure to follow Inside CI on Twitter, Facebook and Google+.